Question 441. How do you conduct performance tuning and optimization in Azure DevOps for better efficiency? I analyze metrics, identify bottlenecks, and optimize resource usage in Azure DevOps by tuning pipelines, improving build times, and scaling infrastructure as needed. I leverage monitoring tools and performance testing to ensure optimal performance and efficiency. Question 442. Can you explain the importance of compliance and governance in Azure DevOps processes? Compliance and governance ensure that Azure DevOps processes adhere to regulatory requirements, security standards, and organizational policies. By implementing compliance controls, auditing mechanisms, and access restrictions, I ensure data security, integrity, and accountability in Azure DevOps workflows. Question 443. How do you integrate third-party tools and services with Azure DevOps for enhanced functionality? I utilize Azure DevOps integrations and extensions to connect with third-party tools like Jira, Slack, and Jenkins to streamline workflows, automate tasks, and enhance collaboration. I customize pipelines, create triggers, and configure notifications to leverage the full potential of external tools within Azure DevOps. Question 444. Can you discuss a scenario where you had to troubleshoot a complex issue in Azure DevOps and how you approached it? During a deployment, we encountered an unexpected error in the pipeline that impacted the release process. I conducted a root cause analysis, reviewed logs, and collaborated with cross-functional teams to identify and resolve the issue promptly, ensuring minimal downtime and disruption. Question 445. Can you explain the concept of continuous integration, C, and continuous deployment, CD, in Azure DevOps? Continuous integration, C, involves automating builds and running tests whenever code changes are committed to the repository. Continuous deployment, CD, automates the deployment of code changes to production environments after successful testing. In Azure DevOps, CI/CD pipelines automate the software delivery process, ensuring rapid, reliable, and consistent releases. Question 446. How do you collaborate with cross-functional teams and stakeholders in Azure DevOps projects? I foster communication, transparency, and collaboration with cross-functional teams and stakeholders in Azure DevOps projects by conducting regular stand-up meetings, status updates, and feedback sessions. I prioritize feedback, address concerns, and align project goals to ensure successful project delivery and stakeholder satisfaction. Question 447. Describe your approach to monitoring and logging in Azure DevOps for proactive issue detection and resolution. I configure monitoring tools like Azure Monitor, Application Insights, and Log Analytics in Azure DevOps to track performance metrics, detect anomalies, and troubleshoot issues proactively. I set up alerts, create dashboards, and analyze logs to ensure optimal system health, reliability, and performance. Question 448. How do you ensure scalability and elasticity in Azure DevOps architecture for dynamic workloads? I design scalable and elastic architectures in Azure DevOps by leveraging cloud-native services like Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, Azure Functions, and auto-scaling. I use infrastructure automation, containerization, and serverless computing to accommodate fluctuating workloads, optimize resource utilization, and ensure cost efficiency in Azure DevOps environments. Question 449. Can you discuss a scenario where you had to make critical decisions under pressure in an Azure DevOps project? During a major release, we encountered unexpected performance issues that threatened the project timeline. I quickly assessed the situation, consulted with stakeholders, and made strategic decisions to prioritize critical tasks, allocate resources effectively, and implement temporary fixes to mitigate risks and ensure successful project delivery. Question 450. How do you ensure code quality and reliability in Azure DevOps pipelines through automated testing and code reviews? I implement automated testing processes, code analysis tools, and static code analysis in Azure DevOps pipelines to enforce coding standards, detect defects, and ensure code quality. I conduct peer code reviews, address feedback, and iterate on improvements to deliver reliable, maintainable, and high-quality software solutions. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.